Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the cyclic loading of the steel structure to steel column with the steel beam between them. I used perfect contact or tie or well contact between the beam and column, and you can see this is the protocol which we designed to this assemble part, and this is the cyclic landing. See the deformation and local buckling which happened during this uh, loading. See here we use weld or fixed boundary here for the columns, and let's me to check the damage, ductile damage. See that the ductile damage happened. Logarithmic strain, plastic strain, plastic equivalent strain, displacement, and everything. And the other thing is the reaction, is the force displacement diagram or hysteresis diagram. Let's me to plot it, and this is the hysteresis diagram for the structure, steel structure, column and beams. You can see that here. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorials or search one or two words of the title here, and then you can find it. So then click on the title or the blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have this title, short explanation about the geometry and assembled parts, and then the material model, steps, interactions, and boundary conditions, and then the results here. You can see the results here, and there are three important points here. The file contains CAINP and English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.